Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up MT4 or MT5 alerts on phone. So all you need to do is load up the app, MT4 or MT5 app, and then go to messages here, and then you click on register. After doing the registration, you will see your MetaCode's ID. You copy that code, and then what you need to do is to open the desktop app for MT5 or MT4 on your laptop, and then press on tools, and then press on options, and then you can find where to paste your metacode ID. And then you need also to enable push notifications from the local terminal and notifications from the trade server, and then press on OK, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.